Now it's time to go to McDonald's and get some fucking breakfast burritos. My rear brake is barely working. I think it has a leak. Man, this ain't popping. Come on, baby. Get some, baby. Oh. Man, this thing just wanna dies. I don't know if it's out of gas or fucking. McDonald's! Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What the fuck?
This weather's ass. I appreciate you so much. Yeah, you too, thank you. Yes, Zerski, baby. Time to get this fucking jank piece of shit working. Hold on. Nope. So I figured since, you know, it's almost winter, I can abuse the fuck out of this bike, make some content for you in the snow, and just do some stupid hooligan hood rat, not really hood rat, but just stupid shit. No, I haven't been uploading much the past couple of months. I just needed a break from social media. Just needed a break from uploading, editing, all that stuff. It could be a little stressful, and not really stressful, just honestly, just haven't felt like doing it. We'll try to make it happen this winter. We'll whip something up.